Hi everyone, this is Anything Blockchain. Welcome to today's episode. In today's particular video, we are going to be handling a particular error. This error is unique to nft.storage or web3.storage if you are familiar with the ipfs decentralized storage protocol. If you eventually find yourself in such an issue where you get this error failed to compile, requesting that it cannot read node module nft.storage platform.web.js, it simply means that your project cannot compile the nft.storage. This issue is actually as a result of Webpack 4. So for you to ascertain, I think the first thing to do is to check your Webpack. As you can see, use your npm list, check Webpack, and by the time you run this code, I am on VS Code. So by the time you run this npm list Webpack, it's going to show you the error. So I'm running on Nest.js, Nest 10, and Webpack 4.44. So that is actually where the error is, the Webpack 4.44. So if you have that, you will always be having this error. You will not be able to move further from here. I've tried several ways to solve this issue, and the best solution, there are other ways, but the best solution I think that is straightforward is what I'm going to show you in this video. But before I go ahead, please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not subscribed to this Anything Blockchain channel. It will help me and encourage me to bring this kind of solution as it relates to blockchain development. Now let's dive into the solution proper. As you can see from my code, I installed, this is my package.json. I installed my Nest nft.storage. You can see nft.storage is version 6.3, which is the latest. The next thing to do, since you have already installed it, is to import it in your project. As you can see, the import nft.storage is done on line 2. Now the solution here is this: we are not going to be using the packaged import. We are going to be using a minified bundle that is inside nft.storage. So for me to be able to achieve that, I'm going to comment this line out, comment it out by applying my double slash, and then use this code, import nft.storage from nft.storage/distribution/bundle.esm.min.cjs. Now I'm not going to leave it this way. I'm going to add a C here, because if you leave it at .js, it means it will not be able to understand import. It means it will not still import and export. It will be difficult for it. But when I use .cjs, it means it can understand the require, and it is the require the simple JS, the require syntax is what this particular bundle uses. So, and that is what our Webpack 4 can actually understand. So having changed this to .cjs, then the next step to do is to go to your node modules. As you can see now, node module, this is your node module. Click on your node module, then look for your nft.storage. So we'll search for nft.storage. Fast. Yeah, this is our nft.storage. Then go to the distribution folder, and you now see our bundle here. So what do we do here? You right click on it, rename, and append in the extension .cjs. And once this is done, then we can now go back to our compilation and now see. Let's refresh and see what comes out of it. Good. You can see the error has changed. Now good, it's now compiled. You can see the page is out. So you can see my page has been compiled with these two editing. So the first thing is to edit your import statement, and then go to your next you go back to your node models, go to nft.storage, go to your distribution folder and rechange the distribution code append.cjs. Once this is done, save your work, and then you can now find that your webpack 4 can now be able to understand your nft.storage or your web3.storage. Either way, they work with the same framework. Web3.storage or nft.storage, either way they work with the same framework. And you can see it's now telling me compiled successfully. Once more, if you have not liked this video, please do that. It encourages us, and then you can share it to your friends who are also blockchain developers. These are common errors that can keep you to your toes 2 days, 3 days before you are able to solve it. Thank you, as I see you in the next episode. Remain blessed.